Now, in order for you to craft medicine in Where Winds Meet, you need to go to an area or a crafting zone that supports medicine crafting. So the easiest way to do so is to simply open up the map and then look for a crafting icon that looks like this table. When you select it, it tells you the available features that are available in that crafting area. And as you can see, it has an alchemy table, which means it allows us to craft medicine. So all you need to do is simply take yourself to that specific location and then look for this item in the crafting zone. So once you found it, simply select craft medicine and then choose the medicine that you wish to craft. Bear in mind, as you're crafting medicine, you will need required materials. So if you don't have them, go look for them. Once you've found them, you can now start crafting medicine. So select craft medicine, wait for it to cook, and once you've done that, you'll have successfully obtained that medicine. You can even choose how many you would want, so you can increase the amount of medicine that you're going to get. And once you're happy, simply select craft medicine and it will craft you that specified amount. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.